Have you ever gotten a real estate deal and had no idea how to fund it? I'm going to show you guys a way to get your deals funded every single time. My name's Travis Oglesby. I started real estate investing in 2016. Since then, I've flipped over 400 homes now. I built a single family portfolio that cash flows over 30,000 per month, and I do deals all across the southeast of the US now. So here on this channel, we're documenting our way to $50,000 a month in cash flow. I have a simple, repeatable process, and I'm here to show you exactly how we do it. Knowing how to buy with a hard money lender can make your life so much easier when it comes to real estate investing. They might seem too expensive. They might seem tough to tough to work with. Don't worry. I'm going to show you guys exactly how we structure our deals and how we don't even have to pay their fees. So at the end of this video, I'll share with you really exactly who I like to work with, so that you guys can check them out too. Two simple steps. Step one, get set up with a hard money lender. So how do you do that? Okay. So pick a hard money lender that you guys like to work with and really start the setup process. You can do this by simply Googling who's a hard money lender. They have so many of them online now. It's almost like a ton of them are a hard money lender. A ton of people are hard money lenders. Don't worry about what one you start with. You're welcome to use mine. I'll give that to you here in just a minute. Or you may find one you like. Really, the goal is just to find one you like. So don't overthink one you start with, because it's probably not going to be the one you finish with. So how do you find them? Google it, go on their portal, do a short application. Okay, it's very short. It's very simple. It won't take more than 1 to 2 days for you guys to hear back from them. Okay. Most lenders approve everybody above a 620 score, so don't overthink this. This is not a bank loan. Again, approval will happen in 1 to 2 business days. Okay, very simple. Now, if your credit's under 620, don't worry, I got you. So go to Experian.com and sign up for their credit repair service. So I've had to do this before. I've had to do this twice. Now at this point, last time, going to save you guys that backstory about the water bill that smoked our credit score. But you guys can go to Experian.com and sign up for their credit repair program. It's about $30 a month from the last time that we did it. And they'll usually have you back in the game in about 60 days. So if you are not approved by a hard money lender, you must stop this video and go do that right now before you come back. All right. You've got to be ready to pull the trigger fast in this game. Step two, cover the down payment, even if you don't have it. So most hard money lenders will require you guys to put down, 10% of the total purchase price. So if the home's $100,000, they're going to require you to put down $10,000, right? So if you're doing a $200,000 home, they're going to require you to put down $20,000. If you don't have that, don't worry. I got you. So here's what you do. I'll connect you guys with my personal hard money lender who will do 100% rehab and 100% purchase price. Okay, so that means no money out of pocket to get started except closing costs, which are usually a couple $1,000. But let's say you don't use my lender and you use somebody else. So they're going to require you to put down the 10%. Don't worry, if you don't have it, here's how we would do it today. You go raise it from a private money lender. So you go out to the people you know. I guarantee you in this goofy little device, you have plenty of people who want to fund your deals. So if you don't have the $10,000 or you don't have the $20,000 down, you simply go out and raise that from a private money lender whom you do know, and you do have their contact info, and you pay them 12% on their money. Okay. You have to, if you're going to be in this game, you guys have to begin to build these private money relationships. They will enable you to scale so much faster. They will cover you all the time when it comes to capital, because even today, we don't have enough money to do our own deals. So we are disciplined. I am disciplined enough to go out and raise money for all of our deals. So if you're not sure how to raise private money, go check out my other YouTube videos. I teach you guys the exact steps. Or if you want to go deep and learn how to raise a bunch of money, I have my apprenticeship coaching program. We walk you guys through exactly how I've done it to raise $35 million now at this point. So it takes time, but it's well worth it. So guys, I love working with hard money lenders. They will help you close on every single deal, every single one of them. Imagine never having to worry about getting funding again. Remember, get set up with a hard money lender if you are not. I told you I would give you mine. It's Kiavi, Kiavi. You're welcome. I'm going to drop the promo code here in the show notes below. The promo code is the one that my personal apprenticeship uses. It's what's going to give you the special pricing. It's going to get you the discounts that we get because we have so many people that use it through our apprenticeship. Enjoy. Promo code will be here in the show notes. And guys, if you like this video, please be sure to subscribe to the channel. That's what allows this thing to grow. If you want a hard money lender, it's going to be here in the show notes. If you have any questions about what we do, leave me a comment. I try to respond to every single one of them. And guys, if you don't know Jesus or real estate, I suggest you get to know both.